Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is that AI is not killing jobs. So Ramp, a financial operations platform, recently did a study on AI adoption and found that those that adopted AI are growing their workforces faster than those that don't. So three key items. First is the heavy AI adopters are growing their workforce at 10% over the next 2 years. The second thing is that for entry-level positions, it's even faster at 12%. And then the third thing is that those companies that are already growing and successful are more likely to adopt AI, and so therefore are going to create further distance between them and the competition. So what do we take away? Be looking for opportunities to roll out AI in a practical and smart manner. So from a supply chain point of view, be looking at systems like sales forecasting, cash flow forecasting, advanced planning systems, robotics, etc. Also, be looking at opportunities to roll out Claude to perhaps do some analysis and or some automating routine tasks, ChatGPT, perhaps on copy. But make sure that you have bought the private version so that you do not let the AI algorithms learn from you. Bottom line, get started on your journey today.